Hi, and today we're looking at lubrication system performance. This is an example using real-time interpretation of data to enable predictive maintenance. We illustrate how time and state generates an early warning of deteriorating performance. The value includes extended equipment life, reduction of maintenance cost, and increased equipment reliability. Time and state applies a structured process of analysis, identification of process conditions, definition of optimum operating envelope, through to measuring compliance and quantification of benefits. Time and state uses process data to define the optimum operating envelope, or OOE. The model definition is the digital twin representing OOE. The summary page confirms abnormal conditions on the lubrication system. Real-time interpretation of data identifies the parameter causing the deviation from the ideal condition. This is the model report. It illustrates how the conditions deteriorated from the baseline. The loop oil temperature is the root cause of the abnormal behavior. This is the view of the real-time model. After taking corrective action, the system gradually returns to the optimum operating state. The application enables our clients to gain a thorough understanding of issues affecting process and equipment performance. It translates data into actionable information and timely identifies abnormal process and equipment behavior to prevent losses.